will meet. Sing and dance, move your feet. A is for ant, tiny but strong, working together all day long. B is for bee, buzzing so high, making sweet honey, flying through the sky. C is for cat, soft and cute, purring and playing, oh so astute. D is for dog, wagging that tail, a loyal friend with a happy wail. E is for elephant, big and wise, swinging his trunk, what a surprise. F is for fish, swimming so free, shining and bright in the deep blue sea. G is for goat, climbing so high, jumping on hills, reaching the sky. Come along, come and see, A to Z, so wild and free. Animals big as all will meet, sing and dance, move your feet. H is for horse, galloping fast, racing the wind, never comes last. I is for iguana, chilling in the sun, with scales so cool, having some fun. J is for jellyfish, floating with grace, glowing so bright in the ocean space. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high, carrying a baby, waving goodbye. L is for lion, king of the land, where the mighty roar, strong and grand. M is for monkey, swimming with glee, climbing up trees, wild and free. N is for narwhal, deep in the sea, with a magic horn, just wait and see. Come along, come and see, A to Z, so wild and free. Animals big as all will meet, sing and dance, move your feet. O is for ostrich, running so fast, beating the wind as it dashes past. P is for penguin, wobbling around, sliding on ice without a sound. Q is for quail, tiny and neat, hiding in bushes, oh so sweet. R is for rabbit, hopping all day, twitching its nose, ready to play. S is for squirrel, quick and sly, hiding its nuts before the sky. T is for tiger, strong and bold, orange and black, a sight to behold.
Clap your hands, stomp your feet, let's dance to the jungle.
U is for uriel, climbing so high, on rocky hills, close to the sky. V is for vulture, soaring so wide, cleaning the earth, nature's guide. O is for wolf, howling at night, calling its pack under moonlight. X is for cirrus, quick on the ground, scampering around, making no sound. U is for yak, strong and tough, climbing cold mountains, never enough. Z is for zebra, black and white, running through grasslands, what a sight. A to Z, we've learned them all, animals big and animals small. Sing it loud, shout hooray, learning is fun every day.
AI, where curiosity helps us grow. Yeah, yeah. The learning is fun, so come and see a world of wonders just for me.